Good morning, Hill and Melly. I just wanted to congratulate you on your 50th wedding anniversary. That's quite an accomplishment, and I certainly wish that I could be there with you to celebrate this, but things are kind of difficult nowadays as far as travel is concerned. So we're hoping we can get there one day soon and see you guys before too much more time goes by. And I also wanted to tell you I appreciate how you've treated me. Every time I've seen you there in the Philippines, or if I've seen you here in the States, you've been very kind and very warm in our communications, and I really very much appreciate that. So, but once again, just congratulations and thank you for your hospitality each time that we've seen you, and we hope to see you soon.
Hello, good morning here sa States and good evening sa Philippines. Sorry Nenes, kasakit ko day. May gani kinaanak ko tingog karon, but anyway, the reason of my greetings is to greet Manang Melly and Kuya Jong of their 50th wedding anniversary. I would like to say have a wonderful golden anniversary. Cheers to your 50 years. And I hope you have a spectacular evening celebrating your 50th anniversary. You guys both deserve it. Okay? Wish ko lang naami diha lamig raunta. Lisod man karon eh. But anyway, you guys enjoy your party, and I'll see you all when we get home to Cebu. Bye. Love you all. Love you Manang, Kuya. Bye. Pasensyahin na ang akong tingog kay sick ang beauty. Bye.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary! Congratulations!
Hi, Manang Mel, Kuya Jong. Happy 50th wedding anniversary.
Hello! Happy 50th wedding anniversary! 50 long years, golden anniversary! Happy for you!
It's 18,250 days. Fined. We're still in jail. Both of us.
Look at me. I got my tooth pulled last Tuesday.
Enjoy your 50th wedding anniversary. Go somewhere. Have fun. Still honeymooning.
Alright, enjoy! Bye!
See you again.
Hello guys, it's me, your favorite daughter. Kanang maghinay lang kung tingong kay sayo po mga kadiri. Ay na lang ng Christmas tree sa likod kay di mo na mo ikanaog. Sama ko imasulti. First of all, congratulations to Mamala and Papalo for their 50th wedding anniversary. Oh my goodness, imagine 50 years. It's what every married couple sees as a goal, as a milestone, and you have reached it. Congratulations, guys. I know it's been full of challenges and battles and adventures and joy food and love. Dili na to masamize in a small amount of time ang 50 years, no? But to me, it's such a testament to your commitment, to your vows for each other. And that's such a ideal thing, especially for us na younger, but younger and married or in a committed relationship. It's such an ideal thing to be able to keep that vow and to keep it going for 50 years is a very such a great achievement. Daghan man kay kog lessons na learn from my parents in their marriage. There's so many big things, and at the same time, the little things pud ako na lang istoryahan ang mga little things na lang jud. Ay, saba ka kung iro, wait lang, I'll come back. The little things that mean a lot. Ang ako ra jung, I want to say a bit of like examples of what I mean by that. So, kang mama, ever since we were little, kanagaling whenever we would eat, whenever we would meal sa balay or magluto siya, or if someone is cooking for us, her first question is always, unsa may kauno ni Papa? Nay makaon si Papa? Kanang, the way that she would always make sure that there was something that he can eat, kay picky man pud si Papa good sa food. So, mom would always, and it's not just at home, maski makaon mi sa gawas, or like, let's say, na a party or sa restaurant, the first thing she will always do is make sure, or tanaw niya, o kani kaon, makakaon si Papa, ani mukaon si Papa, ani, ana. So, that's such a little thing, but it's such an example to me of how, every day, how you show your love and your care for someone. And then kang Papa is a man of few words, and we know that, but so that means kung naa siya isulti, it really is big impact. And sometimes he doesn't even say it with words. So, things like, I remember every time magluto si Mama og fried rice, moingon gina sa Papa, lami kay mo luto imong Mama og fried rice. Or he will always request his favorite food nga si Mama ra jud makaluto, like mas lami gyud ang luto sa imong mama, and things like that. So little things kay na siya again, but daho kay siyang impact to me because it's like showing appreciation in the small ways, in everyday things. And one of the biggest things also po nga small thing is when they visited me here, si Mama Manggod, as we all know, maglisod na siya og lihok. So Papa is always concerned about her when she takes a shower. Kung madugay gali si Mama, mag-worry na dayon si Papa nga, basing na unsa na to imong Mama dito, i-check up sa nato. Kasi nadakin as na to dito sa shower niya, wata ka ba kay dugay na kaayo, wa pa kagawas 30 minutes na. Knock na din siya sa door and he will check, unsam ka, okay ra ka diha. Examples of things that show love in our everyday lives. That's always my karon in my stage in life. That's such a big lesson. That what's like that song says, little things mean a lot. So we might not always have the big gestures to show each other, but the everyday things that we do for each other, they count the most. They add up and they count the most. So mo gyud akong biggest lesson from my parents' marriage, and I'm so happy that we are all here today to celebrate them. Thank you everyone for coming. And now I will sing a song, okay? For all those joke. It's a joke. Hindi ko busing kay ningon si Mami Nes na ako'y time limit and exceed na ko. So, thank you everyone. Mamalaan Papalo. I love you so much. Congratulations. Mag-FaceTime niya ta after your party. And to everyone, have a good time and enjoy. Bye!